And now moving on to a tragic road accident coming to light from Rajasthan. The accident has already claimed the lives of at least 15 devotees. Several others have been injured. And this is after a bus rammed into a parked trailer in Jodhpur's Falodi district. Now viewers, this accident took place in Matoda area of Falodi, which is when a bus carrying pilgrims collided with a stationary trailer. This happened along the highway when the devotees were returning from Sursagar in Jodhpur and were on their way to visit Kolayat in Bikaner. Police soon rushed to the spot and confirmed, in fact, the deaths of 15 passengers. Meanwhile, around half a dozen are also injured, some of them still in critical stage. Rescue teams and local officials, they launched immediate relief operations and injured were taken to nearby hospitals. In fact, Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma also expressed a deep sorrow over the tragic incident. In a post, he said that he has now instructed Collector, SP and senior officials to ensure urgent assistance is given to those in need. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister also directed officials to create a green corridor to move the injured swiftly and to ensure that the best possible medical treatment is given to them. At this point, further investigations into the cause of the accident are still underway. But again, a very tragic news coming to light from Rajasthan. Now, that's what we're tracking at this point from Rajasthan. A very tragic road accident took place along the highway. It has claimed the lives of at least 15 devotees and several others are still injured. Some of them are still in critical condition. Now, this accident happened in Jodhpur's Falodi district. This is when a bus rammed into a parked trailer. This bus was carrying about pilgrims. It collided with a stationary trailer. And then the devotees who were returning from Sursagar in Jodhpur were critically injured. Now, police soon rushed to the spot and confirmed the deaths of at least 15 passengers. Meanwhile, around half a dozen are still in hospital. They are receiving treatment. Some of them are still in critical condition. Now, the Chief Minister of the state, Bhajan Lal Sharma, he's expressed his sorrow over the tragedy. In a post, he said that he has now instructed Collector, SP and senior officials to ensure that urgent assistance is given to those in need. In fact, the Chief Minister also directed officials to create a green corridor to move the injured swiftly and to ensure that the best possible medical treatment is given to them. Now, what exactly caused this accident? That is still yet to be known. The cause of the accident is underway as the investigation continues.